Here, welcome to Vedavyasaacademy. Now here, discuss about the circles. Circles for JEE mains and advanced. So, chapter circle is very important chapter. So, here you see all of you. First, before going to discuss about the circles, what is the definition of the circle? So here definition of the circle in a plane this is px comma y is there. In a plane point p x comma y is there. X comma y moves with constant distance from a fixed point. So like this, p moves with constant distance from a fixed point in a plane is a this locus of this point is called a circle. So what is the definition of the circle? Definition of the circle: locus of a point. Locus of a point. A locus of a point moves in a plane such that with constant distance from fixed point is a circle. Okay, all of you. Locus of a point. It moves in a plane such that with constant distance from a fixed point is a circle. Here you see all of you, this is point x comma y. This is the variable point px comma y and fixed point alpha comma beta. Let us you take fixed point be alpha comma beta and fixed distance is or fixed distance or constant distance. So constant distance is equal to r. Then what? Cp is equal to r, implies Cp square is equal to r square. This is implies x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is r square. So this is the fundamental equation of circle. Fundamental equation of circle fundamental equation. Okay, all of you. Here locus of a point moves in a plane such that with constant distance from fixed point is a circle. Let us P moving point is x comma y. C alpha comma beta is the center of the circle. Constant distance r. Cp is equal to r. Then distance between 2 points x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to r square is a fundamental equation of the circle. Okay, all of you. I hope that you understand very well. So again, equation of circle. Here equation of circle with center is origin. So you see here, this is the center C 0 comma 0 and this is the radius r. This is the point x comma y. Then the circle equation is. So if center 0 comma 0 is there, then circle equation x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to r square. This is x square plus y square is equal to r square is the circle equation with center 0 comma 0. Means fixed point is 0 comma 0. So x square plus y square is equal to r square. So here fixed point or center of the circle, center of the circle, center of the circle denoted by C denoted by C, and radius of the circle, radius of the circle denoted by R. So these are the features of the circle equation. So fundamental equation of circle is what? X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to r square is the fundamental equation of the circle with center alpha comma beta and radius r. Here one problem from circles. Find the equation of the circle with center 2 comma 3 and passing through the point 2 comma minus 1. So here variable point, this is 2 comma minus 1, and center point on the circle is 2 comma minus 1. This is the center 2 comma 3, and variable point px comma y. This is the radius r. Okay, all of you. Then we have to find the circle equation. We have to find the circle equation. Here center C 2 comma 3 is there. Center C 2 comma 3 is there. Suppose this is the point Q. Q is 2 comma minus 1 and P is x comma y. Okay, we know that CP is equal to CQ is equal to R. CP is equal to R, you know. So, what is R? R is the distance between these 2 points C and Q. CQ. This is, you say, this is Q. R is equal to R square is equal to CQ square. That is 2 minus 2 whole square plus this is 3 plus 1 whole square. This is 0. The r square is equal to 3 plus 1 whole square. That is 4 square. Okay. Here CP square is equal to r square, you know. So here you see CP square. This is C, this is P. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 4 square. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 16. This is the circle equation in fundamental form of the circle equation. Okay, all of you, that's all. Here we have one more problem. The equation of the circle with radius 3 and center as the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, 2x minus y is equal to 1 is. So equation of the circle we have to find. Equation of the circle we have to find, and radius is given. Center of the circle is the point of intersection of these two lines is given. Okay, na? So this is point of intersection. This circle chapter based on first year straight lines. So if you thoroughly basics of the first year straight lines, you can solve the circle chapter. You can crack the circle chapter problems easily. So this is objective type of the subject is very important for JEE mains and advanced. So we have to prepare like this objective type. So you, and also fundamentals also very important. You can follow the fundamentals and you can solve the fundamental problems. Then after slowly you can go to the critical problems. This is the very important for preparing the JEE mains and advanced. Okay, all of you, here we have given the circle. What are the given points? Radius of the circle is given, r is equal to 3. and point of intersection of, we have to find point of intersection of these 2 points, these 2 lines, from these 2 lines, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We have to find a point of intersection of these 2 lines, that is x, y, 1, x, y. Okay, the coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is 3. This is minus 5. You can take into this side minus 5 and 2, 3. From second one, this is 2, minus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1. Then x by, this is minus 3, minus 5, minus 1 into minus 5, that is 5. Already minus is there, minus 5. Here y by this is minus 10, this is plus 2, is equal to 1 by, this is minus 2, this is plus 6, minus 6 is there. So what? This is x by minus 8 equal to y by minus 8 equal to 1 by minus 8. Then from these two you will get x is equal to plus 1 and y is equal to 1. So what is the center of the circle? C 1 comma 1 and the radius of the circle 3. So from fundamental equation of circle, x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to r square. By using this formula, here x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to, here 3 square is there. Okay, all of you. You expand this one, x minus 1 whole square, by using a minus b whole square. That is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, all of you. Then this implies x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 2x minus 2y. You can take into this side. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 9 is minus 7 equal to 0. This is the required circle equation. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0 is the required circle equation. So we have the option number 2 is the correct answer. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, all of you, that's all. Here we have the one more problem from circle chapter. The circle equation with center 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2 and radius root 3 by 2 is. These are the options are given. So here what given here? This is circle center is given 3 by 2 and radius r is given, that is root 3 by 2. Okay, what is the fundamental form of the circle equation? X minus 3 by 2 whole square plus y minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to r square, implies r square is equal to 3 by 2, that is root 3 by 2 whole square. Square root cancel. Then what is this one? Here x square. Here x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 whole square plus this is y square minus 2 into y into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square equal to 3 by 2. Okay, all of you. So here you see all of you, 2 get cancelled. Here also 2 get cancelled. Then x square minus 3x plus 9 by 4 plus y square minus y plus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Here 9 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is there. Here x square plus y square minus 3x minus y. Here LCM, you can take into this side, total LCM 4, this is 9 plus 1 minus 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay, is equal to 0. This is totally 10. 10 minus 6, 4. So, what is the? That is x square plus y square minus 3x minus y plus 4 by 4. This is x square plus y square minus 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 is the required circle equation. X square plus y square minus 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So, option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you, that's all. This is the circle equation. Here, equation, you see equation in two variables x and y equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to this equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation in x and y. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation in x and y. Here, if delta is equal to ABC plus 2FGH, ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. It represents a pair of straight lines. Already in first year, pair of straight line chapter is there. In that, delta is equal to ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. Then this equation represents a pair of straight lines. Okay, here pair of straight lines. Okay, all of you. Then here suppose delta is equal to ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is not equal to 0. It represents a curve. Okay, it represents a curve. So second one here, this is x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient. So that implies a is equal to b is not equal to 0. Third one, that is xy coefficient. Xy coefficient equal to 0 implies h equal to 0. When this equation, that is quadratic equation in x and y, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0 follows this condition. First is delta a is equal to abc plus 2fgh minus f square minus bg square minus ch square not equal to 0, and follows this condition x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient, where a is equal to b not equal to 0, and xy coefficient is equal to 0, that is h equal to 0. Then this equation f of x comma y equal to 0 represent circle equation. Circle equation. So if it is represent a circle equation, what are the condition? Delta not equal to 0. That is ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square not equal to 0, and x square coefficient is equal to y square, that is a is equal to b not equal to 0, x square xy coefficient is equal to 0, that is h equal to 0. Then f of x comma y is equal to 0 represent a circle equation. then the circle equation is in the form of, so this is in the form of, you see all of you, this is transformed into in the form of, that is ax square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is f of x comma y, where a is equal to b is equal to 1. If a is equal to b is equal to 1. Okay, all of you. So here we can written as this equation into, here you see all of you, that is x square plus 2gx plus y square plus 2fy is equal to, you can take into this side minus. So x square plus 2gx plus g square y square plus 2fy plus f square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Okay, all of you. Then you can write, this is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Then x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c whole square. Like this we can written as, this is what, x minus of minus g whole square plus y minus of minus f whole square is equal to, this is r square. So this is root over g square plus f square minus c whole square. Then this is in the form of x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to r square. By comparing this one, alpha is equal to minus g, beta is equal to minus f, and radius r is equal to, and radius r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. Okay, all of you. Then what is the center of the circle? Alpha comma beta is equal to center of the circle minus g comma minus f, and radius of the circle under root of g square plus f square minus c is the center of the circle. Okay, all of you. Then this is the circle. This equation represent the general form of the circle equation. This is the general form of the circle equation, and it is represented by s. Then what is s? S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the circle equation, general form of the circle equation. Okay, all of you, this is the circle equation with center minus g comma minus f and radius root over g square plus f square minus a. So general form of the circle equation represented by s. S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of the circle equation. This is very important. Fundamental form of the circle equation is what? X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to r square. Fundamental form of the circle equation is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to r square. This is the fundamental form of the circle equation. Fundamental form of the circle equation. In this fundamental form of the circle equation, center alpha comma beta, radius r. So here radius center minus g comma minus f, and radius g square plus f square minus c. This is the radius and center of the circle. I hope you understand very well. That's all. Okay, all of you. That's all. One more problem on circles. So here circle with center origin and passing through the minus 1 comma 2. So here alpha comma beta is equal to 0 comma 0 and q point minus 1 comma 2, p point x comma y. So here circle equation. This is the center and this is the point q minus 1 comma 2. This is the point p x comma y. Okay, all of you. Then what Cp is equal to Cq. So Cp is equal to what? Here C 0 comma 0 origin is there. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to uh, this is 0 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. Then x square plus y square is equal to 1 plus 2 square minus 2 whole square is 4. So x square plus y square is equal to 5. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Next question. If the circle is in the form of S is equal to ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then S is equal to, we can convert as x square plus y square plus 2g by a x plus 2f by a y plus c by a is equal to 0. In this case, circle center of the circle is minus g by a comma minus f by a, and radius of the circle, that is r, is equal to root over g by a whole square plus f by a whole square minus c by a. R is equal to root over g square plus f square minus ac by a square. R is equal to, we can written as g square plus f square minus ab by mod a. This is the radius of the circle. So circle is in the form of ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2g by ax plus 2f by ay plus c by a. What is the center of the circle? Minus g by a comma minus f by a. What is the radius of the circle? Root over g square plus f square minus ac by mod a. This is the circle equation and center of the circle and radius of the circle. Okay, all of you. Here circle equation is given. Find the center and radius of the circle. 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. So this is given circle. Given circle S is equal to x square. This is 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. Given circle. So this can be written as x square plus y square minus 6 by 3x plus 4 by 3y minus 4 by 3 equal to 0. Okay. So x square plus y square minus 3 to ja. So 2x plus 4 by 3y minus 4 by 3 equal to 0. So this compare with s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then what is 2g? 2g is equal to minus 2 and 2f is equal to 4 by 3 and c is equal to minus 4 by 3. You compare these two equations, then here 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja this one, and g is equal to minus 1 f is equal to 2 by 3. Then what is the center of the circle? Minus g comma minus f. So minus of minus 1 minus 2 by 3 equal to 1 comma minus 2 by 3 is the center of the circle. And what is the radius of the circle? Radius of the circle r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. R is equal to root over g square, that is 1 square, plus minus 2 by 3 whole square, minus c, minus of minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3. Then r is equal to root over 1 plus, this is 4 by 9, minus into minus plus 4 by 3. Then r is equal to root over, LCM is 9, 9 plus 4 plus, this is 3 is there, 3 4 ja 12. This is r is equal to root over 12 plus 4, 16 plus 9, 25 by 9 equal to 5 by 3 is the radius of the circle, and center of the circle is 1 comma minus 2 by 3 of the given this circle. Okay, all of you, that's all. Here you see, all of you, this is the circle and this is the line L1, this is the line L2, this is the line L3. This is the S is equal to 0 circle, that is equal to x square. S is equal to 0 circle. Circle equation represented by S is equal to 0. Here there is no connection with L1 and this circle. And you observe here, this circle is touches this circle. Now this line is touches to this circle, and this line cuts this circle in 2 points A comma B, and this line touches this circle at the point P. Then line L1 is the line outside the circle. There is no connection with this circle. So L2 is the line touches the circle. Then we say L2 is the tangent to the circle. S is equal to 0. And L3 is the line, this is, and L3 is the line passing through the circle. S is equal to 0 and cuts the circle at A comma B. Then L3 is the secant line. L2 is the tangent line. L3 is the secant line. Okay, all of you. Here tangent line and secant line. This line L1 is the outside the circle. Okay, now this is the tangent line. This is the secant line. Tangent line touch the circle at one point. Secant line cut the circle at 2 points. Okay, So this is the tangent line and secant line. Tangent line and secant line. Here you see all of you. Suppose the circle is there. This is the circle with center C. This is the line, and we say this is AB line is the chord of the circle. Chord of the circle. Chord of the circle. Okay, all of you. So here this is also chord of the circle. This is also chord of the circle. The chord passing through. The chord passing through center of the circle. Center of the circle. This is like this. The chord passing through the center of the circle is a diameter. Is the diameter of the circle. This is the biggest chord in a circle. Okay, the chord passing through the center of the circle is a diameter. Okay, this is the biggest chord of the circle. And here you see all of you. Suppose the circle is there. This is the circle, and this is the diameter of the circle, and here this is x1 comma y1 point A and B x2 comma y2. Point A is x1 comma y1 and point B x2 comma y2. Okay, all of you. So here these lines, here this one and this one. This is the right angled triangle. This is the right angled triangle. This is the point P. So the diameter makes in a semicircle angle is 90 degrees. So let us, this is x comma y. So what is AB slope? AP slope. AP slope. AP slope is equal to what? Y minus y1 by x minus x1. Slope of or BP slope. BP slope is equal to what? That is y minus y2 by x minus x2. So AB slope, AP slope into BP slope, these two are perpendicular to each other. That means M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. We know this one from straight line. So here, what is the slope of AP? Slope of AP is y minus y1 by x minus x1 into slope of BP is what? Y minus y2 by x minus x2 is equal to minus 1 by cross multiplication. Y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2. You can take it to this side, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is the circle equation. This is the circle equation. When two extremities of the diameter A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2. Here A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 are two extremities of a diameter circle equation. circle equation x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. So this is the circle equation when two extremities are ax1 y1 bx2 y2. Two extremities of the diameter is given, then the circle equation is this one. Okay, all of you, that's all. Here we have given the problem from circles. The equation of circle passing through the points 2, 0 and 0, 2 having radius as small as possible is. So here we have given these options are given. So on this one, here you observe the equation of the circle passing through the points 2, 0, order pair 2, 0 and order pair 0, 2 and having radius as small as possible is. These are the options are given. Okay, na? So options are 2x square plus 2y square minus 6x minus 8y minus 3 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 2 equal to 0. 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 2 equal to 0 are the given options. Okay, na? So here you observe these two are the points and we have to find the circle equation passing through these 2 points. Here this is the 2, 0 point and this is the 0, 2 points and this is the diameter and the circle is like this. Circle is like this. Means what? Here these 2 points are two extremities of the diameter of the circle. So we have to write the circle equation. Suppose A is equal to 2, 0, B is equal to 0, 2. AB as diameter. AB as diameter. This is the x1, y1. This is the x2, y2. Then what is the circle equation if two extremities of the diameter is given? That is x minus s is equal to x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the if two extremities of the diameter is given. That's why here s is equal to, you can write x minus 2 into x minus 0 plus y minus 2 into y minus 0 into y minus 2. So is equal to 0. So y s is equal to what? This is x into this one. X square minus 2x plus y into this one. Y square minus 2y equal to 0. Then the circle equation is s is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y equal to 0 is the circle equation. Okay, all of you. Here circle equation is x square minus 2x from this one, this y square minus 2y from this one. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y equal to 0 is the required circle equation. And by observing these options, option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. We have one more problem from circles. For the circle ax square plus y square plus bx plus dy plus 2 equal to 0, center is 1, 2, then 2b plus 3d is equal to. So here options are given minus 16 plus 16, 8 minus 8. Okay, all of you. So here this is circle equation. What is given circle equation? Ax square plus y square plus bx plus dy plus 2 equal to 0. What is the first condition of the circle? Here x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient. So x square coefficient a, y square coefficient 1 means a is equal to 1. Then the circle equation changes x square plus y square plus bx plus dy plus 2 equal to 0. You compare with s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to this circle sorry this circle passes through 1 comma 2. So here center of the circle center of the circle is given as 1 comma 2. Then circle equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Circle is center minus g comma minus f. Okay now. So here 2g is equal to b. 2g is equal to b and g is equal to b by 2 minus g is equal to minus b by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to what? 1. By cross multiplication minus b is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2. Okay all of you. And here 2f is equal to d. 2f is equal to d. This is minus f is equal to what? Minus d by 2. Minus f is equal to minus d by 2. That is given as 2f is equal to d. But here y quadrant is 2 no. So minus f is equal to 2 is equal to minus d by 2. That is minus d is equal to 4. D is equal to minus 4. Okay, we have to find 2b plus 3d. So 2b plus 3d is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into d minus 4. So this is equal to minus 4 minus 12 minus 16 is the answer. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay all of you, this is the given circle. We have to find the 2b plus 3d value. Here we have given the problem. We have given the problem from circles. Radius of the circle passing through 6 comma 2 and the equation of two normals for the circle are x plus y is equal to 6 and x plus 2y is equal to 4 is. So options are root 5, 2, 2 root 5, 3, 3 root 5, 4, 4 root 5. So here you see this is the circle and this circle passes through 6 comma 2 and two normals. This is one normal, this is one normal. Normal of a circle passes through the center of the circle. That two normals intersect at the center of the circle. That's why, so here point P is given, P is 6 comma 2, normals L1 is given, that is x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 and L2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. By solving these two normals, we get the center of the circle. So here solving 1 and 2 from 1 and 2 and L1 and L1 and L2, that is x y 1 x y. So this is 1 1 minus 6 1 1 1 2 minus 4 1 2. Then what is x? X by minus 4 plus 12 is equal to y by minus 6 plus 4 minus 6 plus 4 1 by 2 minus 1. From this gives x by 8 is equal to y by minus 2 is equal to 1 by 1. X is equal to 8, y is equal to minus 2. Center of the circle 8 comma minus 2 is the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle 8 comma minus 2. This is the point P. Then CP is the radius of the circle. Then CP is the radius of the circle. So CP is the radius of the circle. CP is equal to R root over C is the 8 comma minus 2, 6 minus 8 whole square plus 2 plus 2 whole square is equal to root over 6 minus 8 minus 2 whole square 4. This is 4 square 16. So R is equal to root over 20 root over 4 into 5, that is 2 root 5 is the radius of the circle. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you, that's all. Here one more problem from circles. Origin is the center of circle through the vertices of an equilateral triangle whose median is of length 3a. Then the equation of the circle is. Options are given: x square plus y square equal to a square, x square plus y square is equal to 2a square, x square plus y square is equal to 3a square, x square plus y square is equal to 4a square. Then here you see, all of you, origin is the center of the circle. So here this is the circle equation. And origin is the center of the circle. This is A, B, C are vertices of a triangle, and this is the equilateral triangle is given. That means this is A and this is A and this is A. All the sides are equal. So we have given median is 3A is given. Here this is the one median and this is the one median. These medians are intersect at the point center of the circle. So this totally 3a. So this median cuts this one AD in the ratio 2:1. So median equal to 3a and center C is equal to CA. CA is equal to 2a. This is 2:1 ratio. This is 3a. So this is two parts. This is one part. This is 2a. This is 1a. So from center to this vertex is 2a. That means radius is equal to CA is equal to, this is, let us center of the circle be O. That is OA is equal to 2a. Okay now. So center of the circle is what? 0 comma 0. Then the equation of circle that is x square plus y square is equal to 4a square. 2a whole square is equal to r 2a whole square, that is x square plus y square is equal to 4a square. Though these options, by observing options, option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you, that's all. Now we go for one more problem, that is here circle equation. Question: find the center and radius of the circle x square plus y square plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2y plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. We have to find the center and radius of the circle equation x square plus y square plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2y plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So, here we compare this equation with s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. What is 2g? 2g is equal to 1 by 2, g is equal to 1 by 4, 2f is equal to 1 by 2, f is equal to 1 by 4, c is equal to 1 by 2. Then what is the center of the circle? Minus g comma minus f equal to minus 1 by 4 comma minus 1 by 4. And the radius of the circle, this is 1 by 4 whole square. That is g square plus f square minus c root over 1 by 4 whole square plus 1 by 4 whole square. This is minus c 1 by 2. Then r is equal to root over 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 2 equal to root over 2 by 16 minus 1 by 2. This is root over 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2. Root over 8 is the LCM. This is 1 minus 4 is there. So radius of the circle root over minus 3 by 8 is equal to r is equal to root over minus 3 by 2 root 2 is the circle radius. So here r is less than 0. R is less than 0. R is less than 0. R is imaginary number. Root over minus 3 is there. R is imaginary number. In this case, the circle is imaginary circle. Okay, now? So we conclude that. So here circle equation s is equal to 0. Here, if r is equal to 0, then circles. Here, you see all of you. If circle equation s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, then first one r is equal to 0. Circle is point circle. Only center is there, that is point circle. And r is equal to r greater than 0. Circle is real circle. If r less than 0, circle is imaginary circle. R less than 0, r greater than 0, r less than 0, r is equal to 0. Then circle is imaginary. So this is circle is real circle and this is point circle. Did you understand all of you? What is the point circle? What is the imaginary circle? What is the real circle? Then next topic. Here, if any circles suppose the circles are this one, this is the circle and this is the circle. Any two circle s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c dash is equal to 0. This is s is equal to 0. This is s dash is equal to 0. Means here these two circles have same center minus g comma minus f and radius are different. This is R1, this is R2. Then we say here same center circles have same center and different radii or concyclic or same center circle or same center or concentric circles. Here for concentric circles, here constant is different. For concentric circles, constant is different. Only. These are the concentric circles. Okay, all of you. That's all.